Look at the smartphone in your hand. It's a portal to all human knowledge. Now imagine that portal wasn't in your hand, but was directly inside your head. This is the promise of brain chips like Neuralink. What happens to the world when this technology becomes as common as the phone you're holding right now? At first it would feel like a utopia. Imagine learning any skill instantly. You could speak any language fluently just by downloading it. And communication. It would be telepathic. You could share thoughts and feelings without saying a single word. The medical breakthroughs would be miraculous. Paralysis, blindness, memory loss, cured with a simple neural command. It seems perfect, a world without disease or misunderstanding. But every utopia has a dark side, because if your brain is connected to the internet, it can be hacked. Imagine someone stealing your memories, planting false ideas, or even controlling your actions. Privacy would become a thing of the past. Every thought, every secret could be monitored. And then comes the new social divide, the enhanced versus the naturals. Those with the latest chips would be faster, smarter, more successful. A new, permanent upper class. And those who can't afford it or refuse it, they'd be left behind in a world that moves at the speed of thought. Corporations would find a new frontier for advertising, your consciousness. Think about a subscription model. For your own mind, pay $9.99 a month to access your childhood memories in HD. And what happens if there's a bug, a software glitch in your personality, or your motor skills? This leads to the deepest question. Where do you end and the machine begins? Is that brilliant new idea truly yours? Or was it just suggested by an algorithm to make you more productive? If all knowledge is instantly available, what happens to the joy of discovery? The struggle of learning that builds character. Could your emotions be manipulated? Making you feel happy or patriotic or eager to buy a product, all with a simple command. Governments would have the ultimate surveillance tool. They could identify and even prevent dissident thoughts before they turn into action. This isn't just the end of privacy, but potentially the end of free will itself. Our flaws, our struggles, our irrational emotions. They're what make us human. If a chip smooths out all our rough edges, do we lose the very essence of our humanity? So we have to ask, is this simply the next step in our evolution? From primate to human to something new? Or is it a complete departure? A moment where we stop being a product of nature and become a product of our own technology? Would we still value art, beauty, and love in the same way if their chemical reactions could simply be triggered on demand? What would be the meaning of life if every question could be answered instantly and every challenge could be overcome without effort? It's the ultimate trade-off. We gain omniscience, but we might lose our souls. So the question isn't just if this technology is coming, but how we choose to use it. Is this the key to our salvation, the final cure for all human suffering? Or is it the ultimate tool of control, the end of the individual, the end of humanity as we know it? Would you get one? Let me know your honest answer in the comments below. And for more what-ifs that challenge your reality, make sure to subscribe.